Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows bilateral pleural effusion with collapsed lung tissue and mild ascites. Ultrasound allows the detection of small amounts of pleural locular fluid with positive identification of amounts as small as 3 to 5 ml that cannot be identified by radiograph, which is only capable of detecting volumes above 50 ml of liquid. You can see the liver and the pleural effusion is seen. The fluid is seen in the right pleural cavity, and the fluid seems to be clear without having any internal echoes. Pleural effusion is a condition that involves the buildup of fluid between the tissue pleura that line the lungs and inside of the chest wall. Atelectasis is another condition which usually associated with the accumulation of blood, fluid or air within the pleural cavity, which mechanically collapse the lungs. This is frequently occurrence with pleural effusion caused by congestive heart failure. Atelectasis is caused by a blockage of the air passages, bronchus or bronchioles, or by pressure on the outside of the lung. You can see the spleen, and pleural effusion is seen in the left side of the chest cavity. In the atelectasis, mucus that plugs the airway, pressure on the lungs is caused by buildup of fluid between the ribs and the lungs called pleural effusion. Some cases of pleural effusion can have more serious complications depending on the severity of the condition. Cause and treatment used. Serious complications can include pulmonary edema or fluid in the lungs, which can result from draining fluid too quickly during the thoracentesis. A collapsed lung feels like a sharp stabbing chest pain that worsens on breathing with deep inspiration. This is referred as pleuritic because it comes from irritation of nerve endings in the pleural inner lining of the rib wall. Pain often radiates to the shoulder or back. Again, you can see the pleural fluid accumulated in the left side of the chest wall. Now you can see the right pleural effusion, and a collapsed lung tissue is also visible. Now diuretics and other heart failure medications are used to treat pleural effusion caused by congestive heart failure or other medical causes. A malignant effusion may also require treatment with chemotherapy, radiation therapy, or medication infusion within the chest wall. Sadly, the average of life expectancy for lung cancer with a malignant pleural effusion is less than 6 months. The median survival time, the time at which the 50% of the people have died, is 4 months, though some people survive longer. Again, you can see the collapsed lung tissue floating in the fluid present in the right pleural cavity. Atelectasis is a common finding in chest X-ray in patient setting. While atelectasis that clears with regular respiratory tolling may signify the benign etiology, it could be first sign of airway malignancy. And lung cancer is common, and smoking is the main risk factor for primary lung cancer. It is possible to have a partial or complete lung collapse. Sometimes a partial collapse might affect just a small part of the lung, and you may only have mild symptoms or may even feel nothing. You can find some important information in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you do like this video, please click the like button. Thanks.